Only 1% can solve this. Capital of Mexico. Mexico City. Currency of Mexico. Peso. Official language of Mexico. Spanish. Mexico is in which continent? North America. National animal of Mexico. Golden eagle. Border country of Mexico. United States. Famous ancient civilization in Mexico. Aztec. Mexican flag colors. Green, white, red. Largest city in Mexico. Mexico City. Popular Mexican food. Tacos. Mexico's Independence Day. September 16th. Famous Mexican beach city. Cancun. National sport of Mexico. Soccer. May 5th celebration is called Cinco de Mayo. Mexico's largest peninsula. Yucatan Peninsula. Major ocean near Mexico. Pacific Ocean. Traditional Mexican music. Mariachi. Famous Mexican painter. Frida Kahlo. Mexico shares border with Guatemala. Yes. Aztec capital city? Tenochtitlan. Largest lake in Mexico. Lake Chapala. Famous Mexican soft drink. Jarritos. Mexico joined UN in (1945). Traditional Mexican hat. Sombrero. Mexico has how many states? (32 states). Famous pyramid city. Chichen Itza. Mexico flag symbol. Eagle with a snake. Mexico time zone mainly. Central Time. Famous Mexican holiday. Dia de los Muertos. Mexico's population approximate? $130 million. Mexico hosted Olympics in (1968). Famous Mexican beer. Corona. Mexico's longest river. Rio Grande. Largest desert in Mexico. Sonoran Desert. Famous Mexican dance. Folk dance. Mexico flag center symbol. Coat of arms. Mexico independence from Spain. Major Mexican volcano. Popocatépetl. Mexico City was built on lake. Famous Mexican ancient calendar. Mayan. Out of 40 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun quiz videos.